How to deposit money on Bingx? We have three options or ways. First, tap on deposit and choose deposit. Use the currency that you wanted to deposit and choose a network. In this one, we choose Arbitrum 1, and now you have the coin, the network, and deposit address. You can use that to transfer money from a different crypto to Bingx. For the second method, you could also use fiat deposit. And here, you could choose the currency that you wanted to transfer. That could be in euro. For example, you would have to transfer 30 euros. You have deposit method, the SEPA Instant or the SEPA. And once you're done, just tap on continue. For the third method, tap on quick buy and then just put the amount in USD that you wanted to transfer. It will be automatically converted into coin. And there you have payment method. It could either be MasterCard or use your Visa card. So those are the three methods to deposit money.